Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I have the Makeup Revolution London palette in Flawless 4 and it's really pretty. I got it because I wanted to do a fun Valentine's Day look and this has a lot of like purples and pinks in it. Mostly the purples really caught my eye and it has a lot of neutral tones and really pretty shimmers, so I am going to use that. And if you want to know what is on my face foundation contour wise, there is a separate video. It should be up already. So I'm just gonna prime my lids with Milani eye primer. Yes, I already have mascara on. I had makeup on earlier today and I just didn't put any shadow on, so mascara is already on. And it is just like the Essence, like big, full, like giant purple tube. I like that mascara. I already did a video with it and I can't breathe. I can't breathe. Brows, I'm just going to do some NYX Control Freak Brow Gel. It's just a clear gel. Okay. My brows are donezo. Now I'm just going to take this fluffy brush and I'm going to take this shade right here, and it's called Sunday. So the next thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to bake my brow, and I've been doing this for a while. If you've been watching, you've been seeing me do it. I'm going to take the whitest shade in here. It's called Statement, and I am literally going to pack my brush full of this color and just basically kind of bake my brows, the brow bone, because I have a different kind of eye shape. I like to do this so I don't blend anything higher than I want it, and this is like a stark white, so it will be nice. So the next shade I'm going to take is called Ooch. It's like a kind of grayish brown color. Kiwi's right here. Kiwi's right there. So I'm going to take that and put that in my crease with like a domed crease brush, so it's more of a precise application. So the next color that I'm going to take, it's right next to that Ooch color, and it's like a purpley kind of color. It's called Hold Me. Right there. Hold on. Right here, my finger's in it. And I'm going to place that into the crease as well. To make this crease a bit more like purpley. The other one is just kind of to deepen. The shade that I'm going to take is called Not Today, and it's like a shimmery kind of a purple shade here in the top, and I'm just going to take that with a stiff dome brush. It's really nice for packing color on. So I'm going to build this color up. Normally you wouldn't do that, but I'm going to do that today because I really want to have some really good saturated color. And I'm going to place this on the outer third of the eye. And holy Batman, this color has no color to it. So we're going to have to really play really a lot with him. But that's just when you can't really find a good purple palette. I really want I think it's Viseart palette, purples in it. I mean, if you want a good purple, I think you have to dough out some money. Dough it out. Roll it out. Roll out that money with the dough. So the next thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to take like a kind of a darker, really purpley color, and it's this one. His name is Glowing. Glowing. And I'm going to kind of put that over the top of that other purple. Yeah. That is some good color. It's kind of showing through the other color, which is alright. It's alright. I'm going to dust that same brush off. And then kind of blend that color into the crease, but not out, just like into it, so that we have no harsh separation lines. Okay, now I'm going to take that glowing shade again. It's that pinky kind of purpley shade, and I'm going to kind of pull that more into the crease so that it's not so brown. It's more of a purpley tone. Right. Okay, and I'm going to go in and just kind of do a little bit blending, but not too much because I don't want to blend any like major color detail away. Okay, I'm going to go in with that same brush that we started with. It's like a fluffy, I don't know, like a fluffy shadow brush. It's really nice. And I'm going to dust my brows away so that they're not as harsh. And if you want to, you can add a shimmer there. Okay, now I'm going to quickly conceal and powder the rest of my face, and I'll be right back. Okay, so I've powdered and I applied some false lashes, and I'm just going to do some under eye, a little bit under eye definition, and I'm going to just take these two shades. It's called Bittersweet and Glowing, and I'm going to mix them together. Just say so on your Keshik brush. What did I just did? Okay, so I think I have applied 2 different false lashes because they were in this little tub and not enough. So I need to get a better storage system for my false lashes because I believe I applied 2 different pairs. It looks as if I have. Oh well, we have some kind of crazy wacky eye look that we're going with. Anyways, we are moving on because so far I like this other than the false lashes. So we are going to just do some inner corner highlighting, and I am going to take this shade right here. It's called Pastel, and it's like a really pretty shimmery kind of pink tone. Like a really pretty purple one in here. I'm like kind of excited to play with this palette a bit more. So the lip that I'm going to use today, I'm going to kind of go with a pink tone. I'm not going to line my lips today, but I'm going to go and dab on Revlon's Matte Sultry, and it's like a kind of a hot pink, but I'm just gonna dab it on a little bit and blend it out so it's not like hot pink really. When it mixes with your lip tone, it looks kind of purpley. I also don't like to use like a hot, like a sharp, it's like way too pink. I like it. I'm so blushing. So now I'm going to take this shade. It's kind of just to, I'm not going to add any blush. This is like a, it's called Coral Beam, but it's like a bronzy kind of a blush from Milani. So pretty. Like, okay, so the camera did cut off, but so far I like this palette. Obviously with every palette there's going to be hits and misses, and this one has a couple misses that I've used only today, but so far it's only just the purple that I did the swatch of, not the swatch, but I tried to use. But so far I'm really pleased with it, and I think you can do some really nice smoky beautiful eyes with this. And so yeah, that was fun to play with. The lashes that I put on are starting to come off because the battery died in my camera and I had to charge it. So I'm just going to take those off right now. It seems like to you guys I had just put these on, but they actually been on for a couple hours. I actually went and made dinner and come back and film this. So yeah, things might look a little bit different. So if you guys did like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for new videos. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.